All right, so the get method, not too bad now that we've already got this. First thing, we have to figure out what index the key is going to be at. So here, int index int index is equal to key dot hashcode mod capacity. All right, mod the capacity of the table, get the index. Now let's go ahead and do and now it's basically a loop. Same loop over here. So while true, could have written a function that does define index. Well, actually, yeah. So while true, if index equals null. So here in this case, hey, we look for an index. If table.index equals null, rather. So if there's nothing at that location, return null because nothing was there. Right? So if we're, right, we want to find this key, we get to an index that's null. That means that, well, if it had been there, it would have taken up this spot, but it's not there, so it's never been put in the table. Return null. Else, if table index dot key dot equals equals the key that I'm looking for, return table index dot value, right? Hey, if the thing there, right, if it's null, ugh. But on the other hand, if table.index.key has that value, then great. And we'll return that. We'll return that. Actually, for future-proofing reasons, we're gonna have to fix that around for future-proofing reasons, because the key, it is possible for that key to be null. In which case, yeah, we definitely want to change that up. So if key dot equals, because the key can be null. If key dot equals that key, return the value. Else index is equal to index plus 1 mod capacity, and we need the parentheses again to make sure that we don't just add 1 automatically to everything, and that will work. Let's also fix this one up here. The key dot equals that, and then we're going to put on a further restriction that if you try to manually put in if key, so if key equal, the reason for this will become apparent soon. If key is equal to null, if the key you're inserting is equal to null, return null, because that's a special value for us that we don't want to replace. We're going to be using that for the delete method or the remove method, which is right now. So let's go ahead and do map sout map dot get bellow. Boom. Okay, so that works. Next one.